Well, as promised, potatoes, 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 and more potatoes. Now, just a quick tip for you guys. Try to dig as far away from the plant as possible, because if you don't, you'll end up catching the potatoes that you're digging up, and you'll slice pieces off of them. Don't want to do that. Now, unfortunately, this year it was really bad. Just to give you guys an idea, fits in the palm of my hand. It's like the size of maybe a walnut, most of these. This one is a big one. It's been cut in half, and the reason for that is that I believe this is what we would have planted originally. That's why there's so many roots in it. And an example of what happens generally is this. So that is the original half a potato that had eyes in it, and basically there's lots of little bugs in here. I don't know if you guys can see those, but that is what the roots, the eyes come out of, and then turns into this plant, and then the rest of the roots somehow, I don't know what it actually does. I guess it's kind of sprouts out, and potatoes grow from the roots, essentially. Now I have one plant left right here. Haven't done anything with it yet. The rest of these, the biggest potato is, well, probably the one that I cut in half, and the rest of these are pretty small, but just give the plant some room so you're digging around it quite a bit. Generally I go out about a foot away from the plant, so for example this is about a foot out, so a foot out would be about here. Give it a lot of room so you're not cutting the potatoes in half. And this is just well, sadly, a bad example, because last year or 2 years ago we had half of this garden done up to like around that little blob there. So all of this was potatoes, and we had so many potatoes it lasted us the entire winter. So again, unfortunate results, but it was still, it's still a lot of fun, and just means we'll have to be buying potatoes all throughout the winter this year, and next year maybe we'll have a better crop. But fortunately, I'm a little bit disappointed, but I'm not entirely sure why we didn't end up with as many. But that is it for the potatoes, other than this little guy here. He's still green. I'm going to leave him until he starts to die off completely and turn brown. But that is more or less it for the garden, guys. I might do another video of just the cleanup, and then we'll be transitioning into the winter, where we talk about seeds and planting, and maybe do some indoor activities just to keep you guys, occupied throughout the winter, to give you a little bit of a project. Alright, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, like the video if you want to, and leave some comments. If there's something that I missed, or something you guys think, hey, are you planning on doing this? Feel free to ask, and I will let you know. So take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.